Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For anyone flying a DJI Mavic 3 Pro, experiencing damage to the gimbal or camera can be a frustrating setback. Fortunately, replacement parts are available to get these incredible drones back in the air. Today, we're looking at a genuine replacement gimbal camera assembly specifically for the DJI Mavic 3 Pro. This isn't just any third-party component. It's described as original accessories, meaning it's designed to be a direct replacement for the damaged original part on your drone. The package includes the full gimbal assembly, the camera itself, and the necessary PTZ cable, providing everything needed for the swap. One of the key selling points highlighted is the ease of installation. While replacing a drone's gimbal and camera is a technical task that requires careful handling and some level of skill, the design is intended to make the process as straightforward as possible for those comfortable with drone repair or working with electronics. The product is also noted for its fine craftsmanship, suggesting attention to detail in its construction, which is crucial for a component responsible for capturing high-quality aerial footage. Furthermore, this genuine replacement is positioned as high quality and suitable for professional use. This is vital because the Mavic 3 Pro is often used by professionals for demanding photo and video work. The quality of the gimbal's stabilization and the camera's performance are paramount, and using an original, high-quality replacement helps ensure that the drone's capabilities are fully restored. It's built to be durable and wear-resistant, promising a long lifetime, which is exactly what you want from a critical component that experiences movement and exposure during flight. However, there's a critical point that absolutely must be understood by anyone considering this replacement. It must be calibrated after installation. Simply swapping the physical part isn't enough. The drone's flight controller and gimbal system need to be calibrated to recognize and work correctly with a new component. This calibration process is essential for proper stabilization, horizon leveling, and overall camera functionality. Skipping this step would likely result in poor performance or errors. Ultimately, this genuine gimbal camera assembly offers a path to restoring a damaged DJI Mavic 3 Pro to its original operational state. By providing an original accessory with fine craftsmanship, designed for durability and professional-grade performance, it allows users to replace a critical damage part rather than needing to replace the entire drone. The ease of installation, coupled with the promise of high quality and a long lifespan, makes it a compelling option for repair, provided the necessary calibration steps are followed diligently. It's about getting that professional aerial imaging capability back online with confidence.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.